Again, jumping off from the previous tip where I suggested that you have a diversified portfolio, I come to tip number 9, which is periodically review your portfolio. What do I mean by this? Well, it's quite possible that today, after watching this course, you've decided to take some time and sort of audit your life and see what are your current expenses, what are your future goals. And based on this, you've come up with a great investment philosophy. You've decided to execute that philosophy, and now you've set up these automated debits from your account which push money to these various investment options. Your current portfolio is diversified. It has the provision for an emergency fund. It has a great variety of different kinds of assets and different kinds of liquidity. And you are feeling quite confident that you are well on your way to meet your investment goals. Well, unfortunately, what will happen is that over time, your priorities themselves may change, or the world that you are a part of may change as well. What that means is perhaps the choices of the instruments that you made today may not be the best choices in the future. It could be that the kind of stocks that you bought today are not the stocks which have the best returns 5 years down the line. It could be that your own life's priorities have changed, and what you estimated as some kind of a retirement corpus is now nowhere close to the new number that you have. This could be due to any number of reasons. It could be personal reasons. You decided to have 2 kids instead of 1. It could be that you decided that you really want to invest some money in this extremely expensive piece of equipment which will help you make better videos, or perhaps you've discovered a new hobby which now has you buying a lot of cool gear for it. It could also be that you've just decided that you enjoy this better quality of life and you enjoy eating out at these slightly more expensive places, and now you would like to budget that into your investment corpus for the future. So make sure that at every set frequency, it could be a couple of years, it could be every 12 months, you look at your portfolio and see whether you are still in line with what your goals are today. And if required, you will need to relook at the amount of money that you're setting aside so that you're able to meet these new goals. Similarly, what you will need to do at this point of time is evaluate each of the choices that you made and then see whether these choices are performing as per your expectations. Is there a better choice available in the market that you can switch to and therefore enjoy a slightly better rate of return for the same amount of money? And then do this kind of rebalancing and this reshuffling so that you're always getting the most optimum returns from your portfolio and you are able to meet your investment goals successfully.